Next topic is measurement. Measurement of any physical quantity can express in two terms, N, U. N for numerical value and U for unit. If we change any numerical value, any quantity in one unit to another unit, from unit U1 to unit U2, then its numerical value get changed from N1 to N2. That is, if Q is equal to N1 U1 and we replace U1 by U2, then definitely change will be in N2, but N1 and N1 U1 is always equal to N2 U2. This is the form of measurement. Means on measuring any quantity we have two terms, one is numerical value and second is unit. Suppose I have length of this pen by 6 centimeter, then 6 is numerical value in first system and centimeter is unit in second system. And now I will change it in the other unit in millimeter, then it will be 60 millimeter, means 6 replaced by 60 and centimeter replaced by millimeter. When we use the smaller unit, the numerical value will be increased as the total value will be remain same. So on changing the unit from small unit to high unit, the numerical value get decreased. And if we change the unit from higher unit to smaller unit, larger unit to smaller unit, the numerical value get increased. Such as I will tell you meter, milli, centi, decimeter, deca, hectare, kilo. Then on moving one step we will increase 1 0, and this is the lowest unit and this is the highest unit. Means on moving from left side to right side, we are moving from lower unit to higher unit, and when we are moving from lower unit to higher unit, the numerical value will be decreased, small value हो जाएगी. Then we will divide. The result of division is always less. Then we will divide. How much amount we will divide? We will divide 10 to the power n. N is the number of steps. How much step we move? We will divide the 10 to the power this with minus sign. Multiply. You can say this term. Multiply by 10 to the power this, or dividing by, then you will write plus. If you are dividing word use, then the power will be plus, and if you are not dividing the word use, then multiply by 10 to the power minus n power. Means divided 10 to the power n power. Got it? And if you are moving from right side to left side, here we have a largest unit and this is the smallest unit. When we move largest unit to smallest unit, the numerical value will increase. the multiplication result is increase. Then we will do multiply, and which term will use we for multiplication? 10 to the power n. N, how much value of will be n? The value will be n depend on the step we will move, or we can multiply by 10 to the power n with plus power. प्लस पावर के साथ या तो आप मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए, ये मान लीजिए, या फिर आप क्या माने कि 10 टू द पावर n से मल्टीप्लाई किया है, एंड हियर 10 टू द पावर n से डिवाइड किया है और 10 टू द पावर माइनस n से मल्टीप्लाई किया है. This always remember milli, centi, decimeter, deca, hectokilo. We can replace meter by gram, milli, centi, decigram, deca, hectokilo. We can replace meter by liter, milli, centi, deci, liter, deca, hectokilo. It will be same for series will be same for all the term. Meter I will use for length. If there is quantity, then we will use liter. If there is mass, then we will use gram. Got it? This is the conversion we will use it so many times in physics and further chapters for the conversion. As the data will be same unit system, then we will use so many times this